precision cycloidal pinwheel reducer mainly consists of an output flange, crankshaft, cycloidal disc, input flange, pin gear housing, planetary gear, input shaft, and bearings. It has a high number of teeth in mesh, resulting in higher transmission accuracy compared to general gear transmissions. The speed ratio range is generally between 30 and 185. The movement is driven by the input shaft, which rotates the planetary gear. The planetary gear drives the crankshaft, which in turn drives the cycloidal disc and output flange. The reducer is available in two types, shaft output and housing output. For example, with a speed ratio of 80, if the input shaft speed is 80 RPM, the planetary gear speed is 40 RPM. The shaft output speed is 80 or 81 RPM with a reduction ratio of 81. For housing output, the speed is 1 RPM with a speed ratio of 80. The reduction ratio for shaft output is 1 higher than for housing output. The transmission accuracy refers to the difference between the theoretical rotation angle and the actual output. Rotation angle for any input, rotation angle. The accuracy is generally within 1 arc minute. The hysteresis curve is obtained by fixing the input end and gradually applying a forward torque to the output end until the maximum torque is reached. The corresponding torsion angle increases to the maximum value. As the output torque gradually decreases to 0, the torsion angle does not return to 0. When the output torque increases in the reverse direction to the maximum, the torsion angle correspondingly increases to the maximum value in the reverse direction. As the output torque gradually decreases to 0, the torsion angle does not return to 0. When the output torque increases to the maximum in the forward direction again, the torsion angle reaches the maximum value again. By recording the corresponding torsion angle and torque data, the corresponding hysteresis curve can be plotted. The torsional stiffness is equal to B divided by A. The backlash refers to the torsion angle at the midpoint of a hysteresis curve width at plus or minus 3% of the rated torque, which is required to be within 1 arc minute. The gear clearance refers to the torsion angle at the torque zero point of the hysteresis curve, which is required to be within 1 arc minute. The reducer allows for a large torque capable of withstanding more than 3 times the rated torque and large bending moments. Our company currently produces 4 types: RVE, RVC, RE, and RCA. The RE type is assembled by adding an input flange, rear end cover gasket, and grease to the RVE type, ensuring proper sealing. The RCA type is assembled similarly, making it more convenient for customers to use. There are various types available. We welcome inquiries from new and old customers.